Sorry.
Hey guys, we found this. We heard this noise, so I knew it was a woodpecker, and look, it's a woodpecker. Hear the sound? It's so satisfying. And
It's so high up in the air.
Look at the tree. Where's the woodpecker already?
There. See? There.
Oh, right there. It's on the tippy top, right over there.
It's a woodpecker.
It's right up there.
I know, it's just picking a hole.
Yeah, that's right.
My worm's up there inside.
Maybe.
But I thought there's worms inside a tree.
Like seriously though. Woo! I've never seen an actual woodpecker before. Like so clearly. Dude.
Going up.
It's going up the tree.